So today we are going to start our new topic that is called transformer. Okay. So before going into the transformer, do you know what do you mean by mutual induction? First of all, you have to understand what do you mean by mutual induction. কাকে বলে জানিস mutual induction? That term is very vital. Suppose you heard about that particular thing that suppose I'm taking a particular screw. That is what is the induction effect? What is the magnetic induction? What do you mean by magnetic induction? What do you mean by magnetic induction?
Sir, when charge is
When
when charge is flown through a coil, the magnetic properties is induced in uh, sir,
give
something
me
like
an
that.
example of magnetic induction. Give me an example of magnetic induction.
Sir, I think sir, solenoid.
No. Solenoid is not the example of magnetic induction. Suppose, let me clarify you that important thing. What do you mean by magnetic induction? Suppose there lies a magnet, a U-shaped magnet. Okay, North Pole and South Pole is there. A U-shaped magnet is there, and here lies a screw, a big screw. Okay, now is there any property of that screw? Is there any magnetic property on the screw? No magnetic property. No magnetic property on the screw. But if you put the screw, if you put the screw near to that particular magnet, suppose somehow here on that particular zone, then you will see small magnet, some small hinge or some small screws. Small screws are attracted towards it. Now you understand what do you mean by magnetic induction?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
understand now what do you mean by magnetic induction? What happened? Suppose what do you mean by ferromagnetic material? Ferromagnetic material is not a magnet. Ferromagnetic material means the solid iron or the cast iron or steel. These are basically the ferromagnetic material. Suppose if we place this is a magnet. North pole and south pole is there. This is a magnet. If we put a magnetic material in front of that particular magnet, otherwise it has no magnetic property. That particular material has no magnetic property. No magnetic property. But if we place that particular material in front of the magnet, here you will see that the similar that the closest area, that the closest pole create the opposite pole end, and the opposite pole and the farthest end create the similar pole. Now it is in between area, it is very near to south, so it create the opposite pole here, means north here, and create the south here. Now this material is behave as a magnet. This is a permanent magnet. Now you understand what do you mean by magnetic induction?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
basically called as magnetic induction. I think you knew about this thing. I think you knew about this thing. And let's talk about your perception. Let's talk about that thing, solenoid. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by solenoid? দেখো 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 হ্যাঁ এখানে রাখো ব্যাস now let's talk about the solenoid. What do you mean by solenoid? Let's check that out. Let's take about that solenoid. Solenoid is basically a coil. This is a twisted coil like this way. Yes or no? This is a concept of a solenoid. This is called solenoid. So, do you know the property of a magnetic material? Suppose the current is flowing through that coil in that direction. Now, what happened? We know that the property is if a particular conductor, if the current is flowing through a particular conductor, it will create a magnetic field. It will create a magnetic field surrounding it. It will create a magnetic field. You know that thing na? এগুলো জানিস তো?
Yes,
You
sir.
create a
Yes,
magnetic field.
sir.
And
Yes,
these
sir.
are
And
the magnetic lines of force. So these are the magnetic lines of force, and you knew this thing. So similarly, when a current is flowing through a particular conductor, it will another create a magnetic field. It will again create a magnetic field, and the direction of the magnetic field is like that. That is the direction of the magnetic field. These are the part of the magnetic field. Then, as for example, then that particular solenoid is act as a magnet. Now, if it is act as a magnet, then how we can recognize which one is north pole and which one is south pole? How we can recognize that which one is north pole and which one is south pole? কি করে বলতে পারবি?
অ্যান্টি ক্লকওয়াইজ রোটেশন হচ্ছে নর্থ পোল আর
মানে
ক্লকওয়াইজটা
অ্যান্টি ক্লকওয়াইজ রোটেশন নর্থ পোল মানে কি? এখানে রোটেশনটা কোথায় আছে?
মানে এই কয়েলটায় কারেন্টটা কোন দিক দিয়ে কোন দিকে মুভ করছে মানে ওটা ক্লকওয়াইজ
আচ্ছা,
রোটেশন
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, ঠিক ঠিক ঠিক। So see, the thing is current is on the similar direction. Look, here the current is flowing through that direction. It is go on that direction, and it is this one is wrong. I have made it wrong. This one is that direction, and it is on that direction. Okay, and then it will go on that direction, again that direction, again that direction. It will rotate. Okay, now if we look from that side, if we look from that side, if we look from that side, if we put an eye here. If we put an eye here, and if you look from that side, if you look from that side, then you will see, if you look from that side, then you will see what is the direction of the current. Now from there you will see the direction of the current is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Ball. If you look from that side, huh? It is clockwise. It is clockwise. So if it is clockwise, then it is south pole. If it is clockwise, then it is south pole. And you will see that if we look from that side, if we look from that side, if we look from that side, what we will see?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Very good. Anti-clockwise means south, North Pole is there. Now, what is the tendency? Now, the tendency is the lines of force are started from North Pole, and it will end in South Pole.
South Pole.
Yes, sir.
Started from North Pole and it will end in South Pole. So these are the actual, the magnetic properties is like that. These are the actual fields. If we are talking about, these are the actual fields. These are the actual fields. And what is the direction? The direction is like that. Similarly, on that case, so we'll see, that is the outgoing part. So now let me clarify some important thing. What do you mean by Weber?
Weber mean magnetic flux.
Magnetic flux, Weber. কাকে বলে Weber?
ইউনিটটা তো
Unit of magnetic flux.
Unit
Right.
of magnetic flux is Weber. Okay, so if the unit of magnetic flux is Weber, so do you know Weber per meter square equal to what?
Equal to Tesla B. Magnetic flux
Tesla.
index intensity.
Equal to Tesla.
Tesla.
Right, so Tesla. So why the one car is there? You know that car is basically called as Tesla car.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
হ্যাঁ
Yes.
নতুন নতুন লঞ্চ হয়েছে
Tesla, নতুন launch হচ্ছে Tesla car. What is the property of Tesla car? You know that? That is that
Automatic
Tesla
driving.
car. That Tesla car. They are preparing that particular Tesla car. Is basically a electric car. Okay, Tesla car is nothing but an electric car where the friction is very less. Okay, friction is very less. Monorail concept জানিস? Monorail জানিস? Monorail
না শুনে
জাপানে যে ট্রেন গুলো
no,
চলে
sir.
monorail,
Ah, sir,
তার
monorail.
মধ্যে
ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডের জন্য যেটা
yes, magnetic field এর জন্য চলে,
Magnetic
মানে কি, there is no will.
Yes,
ঠিক
sir.
আছে,
হ্যাঁ,
line
হ্যাঁ,
are line
They are floating
and
on
line
lines.
in between the line and the and the surroundings, line আর ট্রেনের মাঝখানে একটা গ্যাপ থাকে, gap is always maintained. Okay,
হুম,
Yes.
and that gap is the opposite polarities are there. North pole is on the line and North pole is on the train, so they will repel each other.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
ঠিক আছে,
তার
they
জন্য
will
তো
repel
float
each other
করছে।
and the train is never touched to the line. ট্রেনটা যদি লাইনে টাচ না করে তাহলে ফ্রিকশন ইজ লেস, ফ্রিকশনই তো হবে না,
হ্যাঁ
Yes.
and they are running through the vacuum.
স্যার ওটা মুভ করছে কি করে ফ্লোট তো নয়
হ্যাঁ,
করছে এবার এগোচ্ছে কি
স্যার
করে
ফরওয়ার্ড যাচ্ছে কি করে স্যার সামনে থেকে?
Thrust.
ফরওয়ার্ড যাচ্ছে, যেহেতু ফরওয়ার্ড যাচ্ছে, দে আর ক্রিয়েটিং আ ফিল্ড, ঠিক আছে, ওখানে একটা মোটর লাগানো আছে, দে আর ক্রিয়েটিং আ ফিল্ড, দেয়ার সাম মোটরস আর দেয়ার, ওকে, সেই মোটরটাই ওকে প্লাঞ্চ করছে, মোটরের জন্যই ও যাচ্ছে, আইদার দ্যাট পার্টিকুলার মোটর ইজ ড্রাইভড বাই দ্য ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড অর দ্যাট পার্টিকুলার মোটর ইজ ড্রাইভ বাই দ্য ইঞ্জিন, যে কোনো ভাবে একটা মোটর আছে, মোটরটা ওকে ড্রাইভ করছে। এবার ফ্রিকশনলেস কেন হচ্ছে? দ্যাট ইজ আ প্রপার্টি অফ দ্য ফ্রিকশনলেস, যে লাইনের ওপর টাচ করে না। তা বলে কি পুরোটা লাইনের ওপর টাচ করছে না? তা নয়, প্রাইমারি যখন ফোর ফ্রন্টে আছে, ফোর ফ্রন্ট লাইনের ওপর টাচ করতেই হবে তোকে, উপায় নেই। দেখাবো পরে টেসলা কার, টেসলা মোনোরেল এর প্রপার্টি।
স্টপ করে কি করে স্যার রেলটা ওই ট্রেন
স্টপ তো
গুলোকে?
ব্রেকিং অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্টস আর দেয়ার, ব্রেকিং অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্টস আর দেয়ার।
তখন কি
চাকাই
স্যার
তো নেই
ম্যাগনেটিক
স্যার,
ফিল্ডটাকে
ব্রেকে কি
বন্ধ
কাজ
করে দেয়?
করবে?
কোনটা? ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডটাকে বন্ধ করে দেবে না, ইটস আ ব্রেকিং অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট। মানে ধর সাপোজ তোর ধর এই ধর প্রপার্টি, এখান দিয়ে তো স্লাইড করছে তো জিনিসটা, এখান দিয়ে তো জিনিসটা স্লাইড করছে। এবার যেই তো জিনিসটা স্লাইড করছে, তোকে একটা ব্রেকিং অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট দেওয়ার দরকার। তুই যদি এখানে অপোজিট কোনো থ্রাস্ট তুই দিস, তাহলে এটা তো আরামসে কমে যাবে,
Yes.
ঠিক আছে? সো দ্যাট ইজ বেসিক্যালি প্রপার্টি দে আর ইউজিং। আমি বোঝাবো তোদের, যদি এগুলো সিলেবাসে থাকে না, যদি কোনোদিন ইন্টারেস্টেড হোস তাহলে দেখাবো কোনোদিন,
Okay,
পরে
sir.
দেখাবো। আচ্ছা, let's talk about our today's topic, that is the transformer. So let's think that transformer কিরকম দেখতে হয়। Transformer is basically combination of two solenoids. Okay. Transformer. So that is basically called as a transformer. Okay. Now what will happen? How we can show the property of the transformer? Now suppose here the voltage source is there. AC voltage source is there. AC voltage source is there. Okay. Now the current is flowing through that particular circuit. The current is flowing through that particular circuit like this way. Okay. Current is flowing on that particular circuit like that way. Okay, that is basically a closed circuit. Now this is basically a solenoid. If this is a solenoid, now let's see, if this is basically a solenoid, then if the current is flowing through it, what does it mean? It means it will produce a what?
Magnetic field.
Yes, absolutely right. It will produce a magnetic field. It will produce a magnetic field. Now, according to the law, according to your law, if it is producing a magnetic field, then this one should be north pole and one should be south pole. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But this
Right.
is an AC source. So if it is an AC source means the current level is completely alternating. First one it is positive, then it is negative, then it is positive, then it is negative. Then what will
Yes.
happen? In the primary
Current-
position, the current direction is on that direction. In the next step, the direction of current is this way.
Polarity
Sir,
change হয়ে যাবে।
yes, sir, polarity will
So
change, sir. From
continuously the polarity is interchanged, north south and south north.
yes, sir.
So you know, this is the voltage curve. Sorry, this is the current curve. This is the voltage curve. You know, we know in the AC fundamental these two elements. Now again, this is the what curve? This is a magnetic flux curve. Can you tell me what is the property between the voltage curve and the magnetic flux curve? Because we know that E equal to what? এটা জানি তো আমরা। হ্যালো,
Yes, sir.
ওকে।
Yes, sir.
তো এটা যখন আমি জানি, so think about it. Phi less phi equal to, if it is alternating in nature, less phi equal to phi m sin omega t. কি বললাম বুঝতে পারলি?
Yes, sir.
Less phi equal to phi m sin omega t. If we put the value here, then it will differentiate and taking the value of cos. হবে তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
তার মানে তুই দেখতে পাচ্ছিস যে sin omega t and cos omega t, voltage is cos omega t and phi is sin omega t. তো phi এর সাথে ভোল্টেজের ফেজ অ্যাঙ্গেল কত?
90 degree.
90 ডিগ্রি।
phi এর সাথে ভোল্টেজের ফেজ অ্যাঙ্গেল হচ্ছে 90 ডিগ্রি। ঠিক আছে? Probable if the solenoid has no resistance. Karan, this is the property of complete inductance. But you know the most important thing, that particular solenoid, এই solenoid এর মধ্যে resistance ও আছে as well as inductance ও আছে. So only resistance এখানে কিছু নেই. So what will happen? What is the property? Let me clarify you that thing. Now, whenever the current is flowing through that particular circuit, it will generate a magnetic field. And the second solenoid, which is not serving any kind of purpose, that second solenoid which is serving not any kind of purpose, the magnetic field, the magnetic flux lines is flowing through that particular solenoid. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That winding is basically called as the primary winding. That winding is basically called as a primary winding, and that winding is basically called as a secondary winding. That winding is basically called as a primary winding, and that winding is basically called as a secondary winding. Now, according to the principle, according to the Faraday's principle, if the current is flowing through that particular circuit and the magnetic field is developed through that particular circuit, let's say this one is E1. Let's say this one is E1. So the EMF developed across that particular solenoid, that should be E1. Let's check that out. Let's write that thing. E1 is equal to how much? Minus N1 into d phi by dt. You understand what I'm saying right now?
Yes, sir.
You understand what I'm saying right now? Hello, শুনতে পাচ্ছিস? বুঝতে পেরেছিস?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So E1 equal to minus. So that phi is circulating through the secondary winding. If the phi is circulating through the secondary winding, what will happen? Now, according to the Faraday's law, এখানেও একটা EMF produce করবে, and EMF is produced here. Hello, শুনতে পাচ্ছিস?
Yes, sir.
And EMF is produced here, and that particular EMF, we can note down that particular EMF is E2. Now we can say that E2 equal to the similar thing. That is d phi by dt, because that phi is circulating through that particular circuit. And why it is N2? Because the number of turns in the primary, let's say the number of turns in the primary is N1 and number of turns in the secondary is N2. Now you know that it will depend, that the N1 and N2 is depending on the number of turns of primary and secondary. You know that, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So the EMF, what is the difference between E1 by E2? It should be N1 by N2. Yes or no? From that equation, you will know that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
এক মিনিট দাঁড়া। তুই কোর্টে এখন? ও ঠিক আছে, তুই কোর্টে পৌঁছে, আমি ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, আমি পরে ফোন করছি তোকে। ঠিক আছে। হ্যালো, শুনতে পাচ্ছিস? হ্যালো।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So E1 by E2 is equal to N1 by N2. You understand that thing? এই কতক্ষণে ক্লাস নেই আমাদের? 11:30 থেকে 12:15। ওকে, এখনো টাইম আছে অনেকক্ষণ। ঠিক আছে। So E1 by E2, that should be equal to N1 by N2 or E2 by N1, that is N2 by N1. Okay, আমি একটু পরের পাতায় চলে যাচ্ছি। Next we have to move on to the next page. Okay, let's draw the circuit in proper way. Now we understand it. This is what? This is the transformer. So this is a transformer. Now we will see that from the previous picture, we will see in case of transformer, what will happen? In case of a transformer, there is no connection between two circuit. Two circuit are completely separated. So in case of a transformer, we can say the circuits are electrically separated. কি বললাম বোঝা গেল? হ্যালো, না বুঝতে পারলে বল। These two circuits are electrically separated. The primary winding circuit and the secondary winding circuit, these two circuits are electrically separated because there is no connection in between these two circuit. আছে কি নেই? কোনো কানেকশন আছে কি?
নেই স্যার।
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But they are coupled magnetically. Now you understand that. But they are coupled magnetically because whatever the magnetic flux is generating by the primary winding, that magnetic flux is grabbing by the secondary winding. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for my example, I am writing down this one, the number of turns of primary is N1 and the number of turns of secondary is N2. Okay. Now, I told you that each and every solenoid has resistance and inductance. Both the things are there. Okay. Now, let's take that the resistance and inductance of the primary coil. I am taking that thing. I am writing that thing like that way. Let's take that the resistance and resistance of the solenoid is R1 and the inductance of the solenoid is JX1. Now you understand?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
And the resistance of the solenoid of the secondary is R2 and the resistance of the secondary is JX2. বুঝতে পেরেছিস? হ্যালো,
Yes, sir.
হ্যালো
হ্যাঁ,
স্যার।
ওকে, হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ,
স্যার আমি বলছি তাহলে ওটার হলো নিচের যে N1 যে কয়েলটা দিয়েছেন ওটারও তো একটা রেজিস্ট্যান্স আছে।
এই যে কয়েলটা, না না, এটারই রেজিস্ট্যান্সটা এখানে এখানে এটারই রেজিস্ট্যান্স আর ইন্ডাকটেন্সটা এরকম ভাবে দেখানো হয়েছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, মানে এ দুটো সেম।
এটারই রেজিস্ট্যান্স আর ইন্ডাকটেন্সটা এখানে দেখানো হয়েছে।
ওকে স্যার।
বুঝতে পেরেছিস?
ইয়েস।
Okay. Actually, the resistance and inductance of the coil is shown here. And
মানে
to
স্যার সেখানে
understand
কিছু
the
নেই, কিন্তু বেসিক্যালি সেখানে কিছু নেই স্যার।
এখানে জাস্ট ট্রান্সফরমারের প্রপার্টিজটা দেখানোর জন্য আমি এটা করেছি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
ঠিক আছে? This is the transformer properties. Okay. Now, where we can put our source in the primary winding? That is our V. Let's take this one is V1. So V1 is basically our source voltage. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
V1 is basically our source voltage. So due to that particular source voltage, the current will flow through that particular coil. And it is a closed circuit. It is a closed circuit. বোঝা গেছে কি বললাম?
Yes,
স্যার।
Yes, sir.
And it is a closed circuit. If it is a closed circuit, then we can say that I1 current is, suppose I can write that I1 current is flowing through the circuit.
Yes, sir.
I1 current is flowing through the circuit. Now, if I1 current is flowing through that particular circuit, I1 current is flowing through that particular circuit. So I1 current is responsible to develop the EMF.
yes, sir.
I1 current is responsible to develop the EMF. Let's find out where the EMF is generated into the solenoid and what is the amount of that EMF? E1. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
And these are
Right,
the
sir.
terminals. These are the terminals where E1 is generated. These are the terminal where E1 is generated. বুঝতে পারা গেছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Now let's find out what is the value of E1. Let's find out what is the value of E1. How are you going to find out the value of E1? Let's clarify that thing. Equal to আমরা কি জানি? Small e equal to minus n 1 into d phi dt. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ
Yes.
Okay. So well, let's talk about that E is n1 into d phi dt, and we can say n1, and if we write down ddt of yes or no, লিখতে পারি না
হ্যাঁ স্যার
পারি তো
হ্যাঁ, sir.
লিখতে? ওকে,
Yes, sir.
এটা আমি লিখতে পারি। সো এখান থেকে আমি কি লিখতে পারি? মাইনাস n1 phi m into ওমেগা, পারি তো লিখতে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
হ্যাঁ স্যার কিন্তু ওই
হ্যাঁ,
ফাই এম সাইন ওমেগা টিটা কি করে লিখলেন স্যার?
আই এম সাইন ওমেগা টি আমি ধরে নিলাম যে ফাই ইকুয়াল টু ফাই এম সাইন ওমেগা টি।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, মানে যেহেতু চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে ওটা
হ্যাঁ,
ওই
যেহেতু
ভোল্টেজের সাথে
কন্টিনিউয়াসলি ফ্লাক্সটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, সেহেতু আমি লিখে নিলাম যে আম, যে দ্যাট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু দিস ওয়ান। ওকে,
ঠিক আছে।
সো এইখানে ওমেগা ইকুয়াল টু আমার কত হয় বলতো? ওমেগা ইকুয়াল টু কত হয়?
2πf
এই তো জানিস তো, তাহলে 2 পাই ইন্টু এফ ইন্টু কস ওমেগা টি। হবে না বল?
হবে স্যার।
স্যার
হবে, sir.
হবে তো? এক মিনিট দাঁড়া তো, এক মিনিট একটু হোল্ড কর, এক মিনিট দাঁড়া। কোথায় রেখেছে? কেন? দেখো না ওর নিচে আছে কিনা, দেখো। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে। হ্যালো, দেখতে পাচ্ছিস? হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ওকে। নাও দ্য মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং, এটা কত আছে? 2 পাই এফ ইন্টু কস ওমেগা টি আছে তো? এই দেখ না, ইকুয়াল টু এটা আছে তো, ইকুয়াল টু এটা
হুম।
বেরিয়েছে তো? তাহলে আমি এখানে এখানে এটা লিখতে পারি তো যে এটা মাল্টিপল বাই কস ওমেগা টি।
Hello,
হ্যালো,
sir.
হ্যাঁ, ইয়েস,
Sir, use English, sir. We are not comfortable.
আমি তো ইংলিশেই পড়াচ্ছিলাম বাবা।
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the most important thing is this one is cos omega t. Okay, before the cos omega t, that particular part is what? This particular part is what?
স্যার
That
ফাই
is a
এম।
constant part.
Constant.
That is a constant part. Let's see that phi equal to phi m into sin omega t. So that part is a constant part now. Constant part multiplication by that part into sin omega t. So E equal to what? E equal to that part into cos omega t.
Yes, sir.
Let's make it cos omega t sin omega t plus minus pi by 2. That is a different issue, but that is our constant part. So if we take E into E RMS, what will happen? That let's take that part is EM. That part is EM into cos omega t. Yes or no? That part is EM into cos omega t. Huh?
আরএমএস না ম্যাক্স, মানে আপনি আরএমএস তো বললেন।
RMS বলিনি, RMS টা বার করব। We have to find out RMS. Okay. So that is equal to, right now, this one is equal to Em sin omega t. We can write that Em sin omega t equal to Em sin omega t. Sorry, Em cos omega t. We can write it or not. We can write it or not.
Yes,
হ্যাঁ
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's take that thing Em sin. What is the cos value? That is
ওমেগা টি মাইনাস পাই বাই টু
omega t minus pi
Pi
by
by
2.
2.
That is actually pi by 2 minus omega t. Okay.
Pi by 2. Yes, sir.
So that is a different issue, but the constant part, the maximum part is Em. Okay. So can you tell me what is in case of cosinusoidal wave or sinusoidal wave, ERMS equal to how much? Em by
√2.
Em by root 2. So right now, Em equal to how much? Minus n. Yes or no?
স্যার ওটা মাইনাসটা তো ওইখানে নিয়ে নিলেন আপনি, মানে পাই বাই টু মাইনাস ওমেগা টি হয়, তো মাইনাসটা নিয়ে নিলে তো ওমেগা টি মাইনাস পাই বাই টু করলেন মনে হয়।
ঠিক আছে. Okay. So let's change that thing. Let's erase that thing. Let's erase that thing. Okay. Now you are comfortable.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay.
Sir.
So Em.
Hello, sir.
So yes.
Sir, আমি বলছি sin omega t minus pi by 2 করলেন, sin omega t plus pi by 2 তো করা যেত,
Sin omega t
plus pi by 2.
কর না কি বারণ করেছে, but that is not our main concern. Our main concern is to take the
Yeah.
magnitude.
Okay, sir.
Our main concern is take the magnitude. So what is ERMS value? ERMS is the magnitude divided by root 2 na.
Yes, sir.
Em divided by root 2. So that is the RMS is all about. So if it is Em divided by root 2, Em equal to n phi m into 2 pi f divided by root 2. So it means root 2 into pi into phi m. This one is, if it is n1, it's n1. Phi m into n1 into f. Right or wrong?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ERMS
Sir,
equal to
মাইনাসটা কোথায় গেল স্যার?
মাইনাসটা এখানে ঢুকিয়ে দিয়েছে। Otherwise you have to take the magnitude value, only the magnitude value. ERMS should
Okay,
not be in
without sign.
minus. It is the magnitude value.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওটাই তো।
Okay. It is basically the magnitude value. So root over 2 pi is equal to how much? কত হয়? Root over 2 pi equal to how much? 3.14 into 1.414 কত হচ্ছে বল?
স্যার 4.442.
4.44 phi
sir,
m. Look, phi m n1 into f, and that is the most vital equation for transformer. Transformer equation or transformer EMF equation. You have to prove that equation. 3 নম্বর আসবে. You have to prove that equation. ERMS equal to 4.44 phi m into n1 into f.
মানে আপনি যেটা করলেন এটা করতে হবে, তাই তো?
Yes. The same thing you have to draw. It's very easy. Okay, the very next day we have to start from this area. The very next day we have to start from this area. Okay.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. So good day everyone. Today I'm just complete that particular class. Just write present sir.